How to clear your browser cache, a step-by-step guide. Have you ever noticed that a website looks broken, loads too slowly, or doesn't update even after refreshing? That's often because of your browser's cache. Your cache is a temporary storage space where your browser saves parts of websites like images, scripts, and other elements to load pages faster. While this helps speed things up, over time it can cause issues. Old files might not update, leading to glitches or outdated content. That's why clearing your cache regularly is a good idea. Clearing cache on desktop browsers. Google Chrome. If you use Chrome, start by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Hover over History and select Clear Browsing Data. Here you'll see an option to choose a time range. If you want a full reset, select All Time. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Data. That's it. Close and reopen Chrome and your cache is gone. Want a faster way? Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete on Windows or Command-Shift-Delete on Mac to open the cache clearing menu instantly. Microsoft Edge. Using Edge, click the three-dot menu, then go to Settings. Find Privacy, Search and Services, then look for Clear Browsing Data. Click Choose What to Clear, set the time range to All Time, and select the same options, cookies and cached files. Click Clear Now, then restart your browser to apply the changes. Shortcut lovers try Ctrl-Shift-Delete to get to the settings instantly. Mozilla Firefox. For Firefox, click the three-line menu in the top right, select History, then Clear Recent History. Under Time Range to Clear, choose Everything to remove all cached data. Check Cookies and Cache, then hit Clear Now. Like the others, you can also use Ctrl-Shift-Delete to jump straight to the settings. Safari. If you're using Safari on a Mac, click Safari in the menu bar and select Clear History. Choose a time range, click Clear History, and you're done. For a more advanced method, go to Preferences, Advanced, and check Show Develop menu in menu bar. Then click Develop and select Empty Caches. Afterward, restart Safari to make sure everything is fresh. Internet Explorer. Though Internet Explorer is outdated, some still use it. If that's you, click the gear icon, go to Internet Options, and under Browsing History, click Delete. Select Temporary Internet Files, Cookies, and History, then Confirm. Clearing cache on mobile devices. Chrome on Android. Open Chrome and tap the three-dot menu. Go to History, then Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time, check cookies and site data and cached images and files, then tap Clear Data. Safari on iPhone and iPad. Go to Settings, scroll down to Safari and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Done. Why clearing your cache matters. So why does this all matter? Your browser cache helps load websites faster, but over time it can cause problems. Fix broken or outdated web pages. If a site isn't updating, clearing your cache forces it to load fresh content. Improve site performance. A cluttered cache can slow things down. Deleting old files makes your browser run smoother. Resolve login issues. If a website isn't letting you sign in, your cache might be storing old session data. Free up space. Cached files can take up storage on your device. Removing them keeps things running efficiently. Final tip. Once you've cleared your cache, restart your browser to make sure the changes take effect. This refreshes everything and ensures websites load correctly. Now that you know how to clear your cache, your browsing experience should be smoother, faster, and error-free.